Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody's doing okay. We are super excited to bring you all kind of a new project, but we've had it for a while. And this is what we call Project Trash Truck. So we have had this truck for a couple of years now. It's a 2000 Silverado short wheelbase with the 5.3. It's the LS version. It has power windows, power door locks, kind of some upgraded features for a 2000. Like I said, it's the LS version, automatic, short wheelbase. A lot of people call them the regular cab short bed, RCSB. And we bought it. It was knocking, so we put a motor in it, and we just kind of use it around the farm and places like that. It was also hit, and we went ahead and swapped out the headlights, the front bumper cover, the hood, the fender. So we've just always kind of had it. Problem with here on the farm is you don't want to make it too nice, but I'm going to start driving it back and forth to work is my plan. So what I'm thinking is, if you look over here, Nathan, we picked up some new wheels and tires to upgrade on the truck, and we put new shocks on it before, but I still really don't like how bouncy. I mean, when you're driving, of course this is a 1-ton, so it rides really not rough but stiff. This one almost seems like it rides a little too plush, so I was thinking either putting a drop shackle on the back to kind of level it out, or maybe do a whole spring kit. Like I said, I want to make it a work truck, so I'm trying to do, I don't know if I want to do a 2.4 drop. I know where I would want to take the truck if I wanted to make it an autocross or a truck like that, but on the other hand, this truck is kind of, believe it or not, the way I like it, because what we've done with it for years is all trash. So that's where the trash truck comes into play. It's just kind of an old farm truck, but we're going to throw some parts on it over time, do some videos with it. I know it needs a tune-up. I know it needs has the engine light on, so some small things like that. And we're going to play around, wash it, maybe remove the emblems, and yeah, we'll go from there. So stay tuned, and we're going to swap these wheels out and see what it looks like. We also have a new tool we're going to try out today. We've purchased the Milwaukee M18 Fuel electric impact, and I'm super excited to see how this thing does. It says up to 1,400 foot-pounds. It's the most compact, the M18 XC 5.0 battery, and this thing has actually different settings. That way you're not wide open all the time. But yeah, let's see what this thing looks like. So, oh, it's really not that heavy. So, yeah, you just got a little button right here, you hit, and that changes the power level. So, and then of course you have your light there to show you what your battery charge is. So we're going to give that a shot. We're going to swap these wheels out and tell us what you all think. See how it looks with a different set of wheels on it. Yeah, like the rotors aren't too bad, but they're rusty. I think we're gonna need some brake pads. All right, you ready?
Yep.
All right, catch it. Get it, get it. Oh, right in the pile. All right, we have them installed. Tell me what y'all think. You know, wheels and tires really change the look of a truck. We use the little Milwaukee air compressor. I really like it. The only complaint I have with it is the battery is a 12 volt, and it just it'll inflate a whole tire, but it does better with small increments, which is good at the track. But basically you turn it on and then you can adjust your PSI like that, and then once you hit start, it'll pump until it gets to that. So you can actually turn it on and let the tire inflate, and once it gets to the proper PSI, it'll shut down, which is awesome. So with that, we've got all the tires set where we want them. We got them all torqued off. We got them on, and it was great just to do a simple project that took 15-20 minutes, because it seems like everything we do now is a day-long project. But check them out. I really like how this truck's coming along, and the reason why I went with these was basically just cost, because I was able to find somebody. These were off a 14 or a 16 you know, truck. I think it was a Sierra. He upgraded. The tires are almost like brand new.